Hello, I'm Chris with Sentinel Security Solutions. Today we're going to go over a Kwikset lock and how to replace your batteries on it. All of our Kwiksets, they may be a little bit different on the front, but on the back side, they're all consistent. Right here you want to grab the battery cover, gently push on the bottom and slide it up. Right here you can grab to pull out your battery pack. Gently replace your batteries using regular AA batteries. Making sure the negatives are going towards the springs. When you put your battery pack back in, pay attention to the arrows pointing towards the door. Grab your face plate, slide it back down. And that's how you replace your batteries on your Kwikset lock.